What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video again. I'm finally coming back to myself. I'm not as sick anymore. I'm still kind of sick. I have a cough, but I just wanted to let you guys know the time has finally came, guys. I have the ARP hardware right here. I have the starter. I have the coolant. I have all the gaskets that we need. I have the oil. I have the filter. The only thing we are missing right now is the camshafts alone. I already have the beehive springs and the retainers over there at the shop. They're already inside the heads. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the car off right now because I'm not gonna have any other time. I got rained out today from work, so throughout the week I'm not gonna have any other time to go drop off the car. So I'm gonna go drop off the car right now. The starter's still fucked up on this car, guys, so we're gonna have to jump start it or kick start it, clutch start it, whatever the fuck you want to say. He's gonna fix the starter for me because that shit was just a pain in the ass. I'm not gonna do that right now. So yeah, man, it looks like we're all ready to go. I cannot wait. You know, I'm super excited. I'm super excited. I had to actually switch my cam, that's why I don't have it anymore. I'll be on the next video and the cam comes in. I'll let you guys know why I had to switch the cam. It's just a whole nother thing. But you know what, guys, let's just go ahead and try to clutch start this car and talk to you a little bit more in the car. As you guys can tell, man, I scared the crap out of my brother right now. He didn't know I was inside the car because I still have the sunshade up and the car just started rolling. But we're gonna go ahead and let this car warm up and then we're gonna be on the way, guys. Big shout out to my brother, guys. This guy just finished his build on his truck. If you guys have seen the other video that I posted, it was the one where the wrap was getting done on his truck, and it came out absolutely phenomenal. I actually need to go put gas in this car. This car has literally no gas, but look, go check him out. At 1 Ton Farm Truck, go check him out. I can hear I can hear the alternator also going bad on this car, guys. So I mean, I guess I posted on Instagram. I guess it's just one of those 100,000 mile, you know, curses or whatever. I mean, it's an old car. It's 21 years old, and the starter's going bad. Ball joints are out. Alternator's going bad. You know, I mean, I'm kind of glad that I'm rebuilding the top end right now. The bottom end will come very soon, but you guys need to stay tuned. I ordered some stuff and I can't tell you guys yet. It's gonna be an awesome reveal video. Just wait, man. We're gonna go pump some gas real quick and then we will be at the shop. So let's go real quick to Old Reliable, pull my wallet out of there, and let's go. But damn, man, look at this car, bro. 21 years old. Come on, baby, go play with me. But look at this baby. Damn, son. It's all about gas mileage out here nowadays, baby. Let's go. This car has literally zero gas. It's probably gonna run out right now while it's idling. Man, you guys better stay tuned. This, oh my god, dude, this build is gonna be sick. Oh my goodness, man, every single time. fall in love all over again, you guys. Baby, so here we go. We're putting some fresh premium in there. As you can tell, probably gonna put a couple gallons in there. If you guys don't know, after the PI swap, you have to run a premium gasoline because you're upping the compression ratio, which opts for more better gas. So we're gonna put a couple gallons in there, and then we'll be on the way. Hey, and before any of y'all say, Chris, you're not supposed to be running your car at the gas pump. That's so dangerous. You know what? I always pump my gas at the gas pump with the car running, which, you know, it's never. I mean, come on. And second of all, I'm not turning off my car because I don't have anywhere to roll and push start this thing. So y'all guys have to deal with it. We're on the way. I cannot wait. Let's go. Here we go, man. New beginnings. Hopefully this does good stuff for this channel, guys. This is exciting. Alright, you guys. Here we go. This is where she will reside for maybe a couple of weeks. Hopefully it's not too long. We'll see. So yeah, guys, here we are. I got the freaking steering wheel cover off this thing because I need one in my in the Camry, and I'm not about to buy one. I know it's a Ford one, but a little piece of this thing will live on inside. Where's she at? Where's she at? There she is. Big special thank you to my girlfriend, always coming through. She's like, babe, I was doing my hair, and then she always coming through. So this guy is like super packed right now with the guys, so hope it's not that long. Steering wheel cover is finally on, bro. Jesus, that was a pain. Okay, this is what I wanted to show y'all guys real quick. This is why I put the steering wheel cover on. You guys can see. There's like little particles from the steering wheel all over the place. It's kind of like this material, but it's like really like it's like spongy kind of, you know what I'm saying? And it's like coming off. So Ford steering wheel in the Camry. Y'all already know what's going on. Thank y'all so much for all of the continued support. I really appreciate it, guys. You guys do not understand how much it means to me. Come on, focus on my face. Okay, you wanna play that game? Like I said, guys, you guys don't understand how much it means to me. I literally appreciate every single one of y'all. And if you guys are new to this channel from this video or any of my other videos, thank y'all so much for coming to check me out. And if you guys enjoy the content, please just consider subscribing. You will not regret it. If you guys are into Mustangs, cars, anything like that, man, you guys will not regret it. I promise you that much. So without further ado, this is gonna end today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much again. 1,600 subscribers. You guys are the best. Oh my god, we're on our way up, guys. So I'm gonna leave y'all with this note. This car is gonna be freaking amazing. I got boost on the way, so let's go, guys. Let's turn it up. I'll see you guys next video. Hopefully the car is done soon. There's tons of videos on the way, guys. Thank y'all so much again. We will catch y'all next time. Peace out.